What is up, guys? So today we are going to do another bike build. So today we are going to build a Canyon Spectral CFR mountain bike. This is a 27.5 wheelbase, but we're going to do a mullet setup. That means the front will be 29 and the rear will be going to be 27.5. It's brand new, size L. Actually, I'm building for a friend named Azzam, and this is the first time he's bought a full suspension mountain bike frame. And yeah, this is the first time I'm building up a Canyon. I don't know how it's gonna be, but I'm gonna try my best. And all the parts are here, so we'll take a look at the parts. Okay guys, let's go through the part list. So the parts is all here now. It's all been laid out. The parts are all here. Okay, let's go through the parts, okay? Of course, first of all, we have the CFR frame set with the Fox DPX2 rear suspension. And for the components, we are using a crankset XT Diore crankset. It's 32T front chain ring. We're gonna use a KMC 12-speed gold chain. It's a press fit BB, and we are going to use the XT hydraulic brakes for the front and rear. Okay, tires, we are going to use Maxxis Minion DHR2. Okay, and for the brake rotor, of course, it's the Shimano brake rotor. 203 mm for the front and the rear, the rear. So this is the bracket for the T203 mm disc brakes. It's mounting bolts. This is for the tubeless valve stem for the wheel set. Rear derailleur Diore XT. The mudguard, Canyon mudguard. So we're going to use the DMR ice pedals. It's very nice pedals. Some ergon seats to be comfortable. Okay, so Canyon provided us with the Fox transfer dropper post. Carbon wheel set, 29 front and 27.5 rear from Elite, which just came in a few days ago. It's very light. It's carbon wheel set. Alright, let's move on to the front. Okay, here we have the Deity stem, and we're going to use a def grip. Okay, front XT Diore shifter, and a carbon Deity handlebar. And of course, not forgetting our front shock. Yeah, Fox 36 factory front shock. That's the way, man. With Kashima coating. Woo! So alright guys, without further ado, let's continue with the build.